Hi everyone, Microsoft Word allows you to convert images into editable text. You can use the method that is described in the preceding section to easily convert images to editable documents in a short period. You can convert images into editable text without the need to download other applications on your computer. However, it would help if you took note of the following limitations. First, you cannot convert multiple images into one Word file by using Microsoft Word. Second, the accuracy of the output is not guaranteed. Word does not have optical character recognition. To do this, open a blank Word document. Then insert the image into the file. Go to the File menu, select Save As. Select Browse. Change Save as Type to PDF. Type file name and save. Go back to Word. Choose File, then Open. Find a PDF file and then click Open. Application will prompt you to process the document. Click OK. Word will automatically convert PDF to editable text. Compare the text in Word with the original image and modify the information as needed. Save your file as Word document. I hope you like. Thanks for watching the video.